Alright, y'all. It's Christmas time down here in Florida. I wanted to show you guys a new toy I got as a Christmas present from my roommate. So let's check it out real quick. Oh, 1 second. That's my roommate. Hello? Oh, I'm making a video. Yep, you're right in the middle of it. Smack dab right in the center. Love you, bye. So this is what we got right here. Now this is a 5-foot something, hold on. Yeah, this is a 5-foot 2-piece, covered in spit, blowgun. I think most people probably know what a blowgun is, but if you don't know what a blowgun is, it shoots these darts. Well, there's different darts for it, but it shoots these darts out of it pretty dang fast, and they're pretty sharp. Easily hurt someone with it. It's not a toy. So yeah, it's got different size darts. It's got these metal ones. I got some bamboo ones, and then I got these like hard plastic. They're called like stun darts. I don't know what you'd use it for. They're pretty fun to shoot at people though, because they don't actually like puncture or anything. They just hurt really bad. I don't know if that's what it's intended for, but that's what I'm going to use them for. So, yeah, today we're just going to be shooting this guy around. Go out and shoot some different targets and just show you guys what it's all about. I'm still pretty novice at it. I've only shot it a couple times, so this is how to use a blowgun for dummies. Let me change out of this festive clothing into something more comfortable. Alright, that's much better. Alright, now I got some targets set up, so I'm just going to go grab my chair and we're going to see what happens. So here's a close-up of the darts we're shooting today. As you can see, that's just factory sharpness. They're pretty sharp. They'll go through lots of things. So I got other types of darts, but for the sake of today's video, I just want to show you guys just how fast and how hard these things hit. So I'll save the bamboo ones and the stun ones for another video. Alright, so here we just have an old frozen biscuit that I found in the freezer. It's probably been in there for a couple years, so let's shoot it. Oh, that ricocheted off of it. That one launched. Let's see if I can find it. Ooh, just below it. Stuck in the log though. Now to get these out of wood, I find it best to wiggle it back and forth instead of just trying to yank it straight out. There we go. Like that. Okay. Covered the whole tip. I didn't even fire that one that hard because I was just trying to get aimed in. Oh yeah. 100% can confirm we'll go through a frozen biscuit. This is real breakthrough science that we're conducting out here. Alright, let's try something else. Now this is just your typical chia squeeze from Mama Chia. This is probably going to be pretty sticky. I have a good feeling it'll probably go through it though. Oh yeah, we got penetration, son. Told you it'd be sticky. Alright, so you got your dart here. You push it in, it'll click, and you gotta make sure that it's in there, but don't, whenever you're loading it, you can't hold it down. So that way it doesn't just fall through. So you make sure that it's seated right there, but it's past that ring. And then when you're aiming, you should have both of your eyes open because it's right down the middle, and you should be seeing two of the pole just because your eyes are all messed up. So you're going to aim in between those two poles, and then whenever you're ready, you take a breath in, and then you, there you go. Yep. If you don't load it, if you don't push it all the way in, then whenever you blow, it's just gonna like
hold on,
hurt your cheeks. That's good. All right, now let's see if Sam can hit the chia seed. Super close. Hey, good job, babe. Alright guys, so if you want a cool gift to buy for someone that's fairly inexpensive that they can use just in their backyard, blowgun. I mean, it's super fun. We've had a lot of fun coming out here. Almost as fun as throwing axes. Yeah, it's a super fun, cool toy. It has practical purposes too. You could absolutely take this, if you got good enough, you could absolutely take this hunting for small game, say a squirrel, rabbit, whatever. I wouldn't recommend going for anything too big like some people do. Definitely wouldn't recommend shooting a black bear with it. I mean, you could, I wouldn't recommend it. So that's pretty much the video. We'll probably do more videos on this guy as I get better at using it. And yeah, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.